spot them at the clearance section of your local Home Depot. This time, which is July, you can get them a discount. And then of course you'll need water and some paper. If you're doing this in your house, you can use just old newspaper. So basically, the best thing about this project is that you can do this under $5, under 5 minutes. So for the first part, I'm going to take the polymer bubbles here, which have been tightly sealed. And so I might need something to get this off here. Got it off. There's some tape there. Well, hopefully this will open up here. Oh, thank you. Okay, so the bubbles, basically they're already kind of lubricated with some liquid, and basically all you're going to want to do is pick your plant that you're going to use, which I'm going to use this one because it's kind of fuller. I'm going to put it in a fuller vase, and using the bubbles you just pour some of them in. And then of course with this plant here you want to just be careful about how you're grabbing it. Of course keeping it over the paper. And this one has lots of roots, which is really easy to use. Just kind of drop it in. And then pouring some of the polymer bubbles over it. And then of course you always want to add water for the polymer bubbles. And these bubbles, they do become a little dry. So all you kind of have to do is notice that when there's not the watermark on the side, then that means that it's drying out. But this will sustain your plant for as long as the plant overgrows the container, and then you can just easily add more polymer bubbles. So that's the first tray. And then the second one, this one is going to include some soil. And instead of opening this bag like you would normally do, I'm just going to reuse the soil. And you're just going to drop it in. It's real easy. You always want to make sure that your plants are pre-watered, because if they're dry when you're pulling them out, they will break. And of course you want to just slightly grab and kind of push the pot a little bit just to ease it out real easy. And then you want to just loosen up a little bit because your plant tends to cluster. And I chose a taller one for this. And then of course using a device unlike this one here, you can knock it down a little bit. For some, because it's a terrarium, it's supposed to be a little environment, so you can add some rocks to it and just kind of decorate it as you wish. If the piece was fuller, you could definitely add more pieces of rock or more decorative. I've seen where there's actual stones creating a kind of little design on the side. And of course always water your plant afterwards. You don't want it to dry out, just a little bit of water is enough. And the nice thing about these is that was under 5 minutes, under $5, and it's the best, easiest kind of plant because it's really clean, because it's all contained in its own environment. Well, I hope everybody liked this speech. Thank you very much, and does anybody have any questions? Do you think this was easy enough where you would want to do it yourself? And it's very clean, so thank you very much. Have a good night.